Big Dog Pagoda, the second best cave in Vietnam. The ancient Big Dog Pagoda was built on a limestone mountain range in Dam Cave Village, Ninh Hải Commune, Hoa Lư District, Ninh Bình Province. The pagoda is known as a cultural historic relic, located inside the Chang'an Tam Cốc Bích Động Scenic Area, a special national level ranking relic, as well as a part of the World Heritage Site, Chang'an Landscape Complex. It is dubbed the second best cave in Vietnam. Early in the Hậu Lê era, in 1428, the Big Dome Pagoda was initially constructed at the summit of a mountain inside of a tiny temple. Two monks from Nam Định Province, Nghĩa Hưng area, named Tri Kiến and Tri Can, met and became brothers in 1705. The two devout monks shared a sincere desire to travel in order to spread Buddhism and establish pagodas. As the two monks arrived, they noticed that Big Dome Mountain contains pagodas and is in a very lovely setting. They made the decision to stop, repair the ancient pagoda themselves, and then proceed to the altar to rebuild it in 3 pagodas, Hạ, Trung, Thượng, for meditation. A massive bell, which was cast in 1707 by them, is now being hung in a dark cave. Lord Chek Sum visited the pagoda in the year of the horse, 1774, as he admired the panoramic view of the mountains, caverns, rivers, fields, and green trees. He gave the pagoda the name Big Dome. The Big Dome ancient pagoda, in common with any other pagodas, is made of ironwoods, and its roof is laid with domestic tiles, which a curved end. The corners are curved like a blade or like the tail of a phoenix, giving the impression that a magnificent dragon boat is gliding across the water, or that 2 birds' wings are spreading upward. Inspired by the word 3 in Chinese, the Big Dome Pagoda was constructed with 3 separate temples, lower, middle, and upper, built on 3 levels along the mountain slopes. Additionally, a 350-meter-long cave known as Xuyên Thủy runs beneath the mountain and contains water coming from inside a mountain. Hạ Pagoda has 5 separate rooms built on a high platform at the foot of the mountain. In the temple Buddha, the architecture of the pagoda is in a type of the wood Ding. The rafters and the beams are made of ironwood. The pagoda roof features 2 tiers of curved roof, including 8 separate roofs. The stone columns of the pagoda are all made of seamless stone, over 4 meters high. From the lower pagoda, 120 steps up in an S-shaped line to the middle of the Ngu Nhạc Mountains is the central pagoda. 2 words are etched onto the cliffs. This pagoda has a unique setting that only a few places have. Half of the pagoda is inside the caves, and the other half is out in the open. The dark cave is 6 meters upward from the Trung Pagoda. It is the main cave, which is quite solemn, long, and slightly faces the east. Electric lights fills the long, wide area of dark cave, It's all like a song reeled in a fairy tale. Up to Thượng Pagoda, travelers must go to roughly 40 stone steps along the mountainside. Thượng Pagoda is also known as Đông Pagoda, worshipping Bodhisattva. At the peak of Big Dog Mountain, this is the pagoda's highest location. 5 mountains, collectively known as Ngư Nha Mountains, stand apart in front of Big Dog Peak and resemble 5 petals of a lotus from the view in Thượng Pagoda. The Big Dog Pagoda is a highly distinctive element of village culture, holding a prominent place in Hoa cultural legacy and serving as a symbol pride for Ninh Hải homeland and village. The Big Dog Pagoda is a highly ethnic element of village culture, holding a prominent place in Hoa cultural legacy and serving as a symbol of pride for Ninh Hai's homeland and village. Also, it is a venerable and solemn piece of human art that has been incorporated with the lush, green surroundings of nature, adding to the overall beauty of the Tam Cốc and Big Dog region.